Welcome to NoTube. This is update from South Sudan, United State. You know, United State Governor, it says something here. It disband notorious terrorist militia groups. There's militia group in United State. That they report that the United State Governor, disband their movements or the militia leaders. Okay. Here is what they said. They say that United State Governor disbanded Terechong, a well-armed paramilitary group famous for cattle raiding across different areas in what his office said is a step to heal one of intercommunal violence in the states. So many people in United States have been fearing about this ongoing cattle raiding conflict. I can say that it is the whole South Sudan, not just United States. So especially in Jonglei State, there have been all this kind of report concerning about Morley attacking Nuer, Morley attacking Anuak, Morley attacking Dinka, and the reason is cattle raiding. This is the kind of thing that been going through. So what happened there in United States? They did this because they want to bring these two communities together. So they're saying that Terchong is a part of these groups that been, raiding cattle in United States, because there are two things that happen there. They say that Duke County and another from there they have conflicts, and that conflict, I think this is what they are trying to stop. So last week they say that they have put together a team, and that team, they say that they can go and investigate the ongoing conflict between the communities there, and that might be the reason why the United States Governor disbanded this notorious Terechong militia groups, as they said on the news press. So this is the message that I have for you. I don't know whether you get it or not, but that's it. Thank you.